All right, welcome back, everybody. It's time now for better food with all the fresh and delicious produce available right now. Salad is a no-brainer.
It is. We're learning how to make two flavorful salads perfect for summer. Local chef and blogger Grace Vallo is here with the recipe.
Hey, Grace, how are you?
Hi, guys. It's so great to see you both. I feel like I get so many requests for salad recipes during the summer, especially recipes that you can make for dinner. So for the main course, have a salad for dinner. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make two of my favorite main course salads. One of them is a watermelon salad and one is the best Caesar salad ever.
Okay.
So I'm going to start off with my watermelon salad. So I have greens of choice. You can use arugula, you can use spinach, whatever you want, whatever lettuce you like. And then you're going to add to it some chunks of watermelon. And I don't know about you guys, but I feel like I always have so much watermelon in the fridge during the summer. Like I buy a huge watermelon and I'm like, how do I get through this? So this salad is perfect. So I have some extra sharp cheddar cheese here that I just chunked up. And the cheddar cheese is just so perfect with the watermelon. It's going to be that sweet and salty combo. And then I have some candied walnuts here. You can also use candied pecans. And then I have some radishes. And radishes right now, you can get them local. They're so crunchy and they add that nice back heat, which I love. And then we're just gonna top it all off with a really simple, easy vinaigrette. That's so good with a salad. So I have just a little bit of balsamic vinegar, some fresh garlic, and then some extra virgin olive oil. And then all you need to do is just whisk that together. And balsamic and watermelon are such a good combo. I'm telling you, it's amazing. So then you're just gonna pour that right over your salad and you have the perfect fresh watermelon salad for the summer. You can top it all off with some avocado to make it a complete meal. And it takes almost no time to make it all. So if you don't like that salad though, I have another salad for you, which is my Caesar salad. I'm telling you, it is like the best Caesar salad ever, ever, ever. And I'm going to be showing you how to make an edible salad bowl too for your Caesar salad.
That's awesome.
So hang with me.
Okay.
Isn't that so cool?
Yeah. No. Do you use anchovies, Grace?
So I don't use anchovies. Good. I used a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, which has anchovy in it, but it's a little bit more mild.
Okay, cool.
It's not quite as assertive.
All right.
So I have here some romaine lettuce base for our Caesar salad, and I'm going to whip up this quick dressing, including our Worcestershire sauce. So I have some fresh garlic, some Worcestershire. It's such a tough word to say.
Yeah, Worcestershire.
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 And then I have some lemon juice, and the freshness of the lemon juice is just going to make this such a summery salad. And then I have a little bit of Tabasco, which is the secret sauce in this. Just a few dashes really makes that lemon pop. And then I have some just extra virgin olive oil. You whisk that together, throw it right over your romaine, and then top it all off with some Parmesan Reggiano or Parmesan cheese. Yum. You want to be generous because this is a Caesar salad. But to take this to a whole nother level, I'm going to show you how to make some homemade croutons with garlic and olive oil. They're so simple and ridiculous. So all you have to do is you're going to take some sandwich bread. You just get sandwich bread in the grocery store, the plain old stuff, the soft, nice stuff. Cube it up, take the crust off, throw it in a pan with just a little bit of sliced garlic and olive oil, and let them toast up for about 10 minutes or so. Tossing them often, they are fantastic. And they stay really well actually too. And you're just gonna pop those right on your salad and they're like amazing even on its own.
My mouth is actually watering.
Yeah, mine is too. Go ahead.
They're fantastic. And the final trick I have for you is that edible salad bowl that I mentioned that's gonna take the Caesar salad like to another world. So this is what it looks like. All it is a Parmesan crisp that I made and formed into a salad shape. And you can put the salad right in here. And all you have to do to make it is you're going to take a nonstick skillet. This is just like a little omelet pan. And you're gonna stick some of that cheese right in the bottom of the pan in a thin little layer. And you're gonna pop this on the stove for about like 7 or 8 minutes. It's gonna bubble, it's gonna get nice and golden brown. And then you're going to take a water glass, flip it over, and you're just going to lay the Parmesan crisp over the water glass.
Very clever.
Just like this.
Very clever.
And it's going to harden on the top of your water glass into this beautiful shape here, and it's just like so fun and pretty. And you end up, after you put the salad in, with a little cup like this. And it's so fun with the croutons. Talk about a Caesar salad.
What
Grace,
a great
that is
presentation.
awesome. What a great, both salads are fantastic. Thank you so much for being with us today.
Thanks,
Thank
Grace.
you guys. Happy summer.
Happy
Yes,
summer
happy
is
summer.
right. All right, be sure to follow Grace on Instagram at Tastefully Grace.